Hello, FactFox explorers. Water is essential for life. We drink it, cook with it, grow food with it, wash with it, and industries depend on it too. But the United Nations warns that the world has entered a phase called global water bankruptcy. That means we are using water faster than nature can replace it. And our water systems are under serious stress. How much water can we actually use? Earth looks blue from space, but most of that water is salty ocean water. Only a small amount is fresh water, water that isn't salty and can be used for drinking and farming. And even that fresh water. Much is frozen in glaciers. Some is deep underground. Only a tiny portion is available in rivers and lakes. So usable water is actually very limited. What is water scarcity? Water scarcity means there isn't enough water when and where people need it. This happens because rain becomes unpredictable. Rivers and lakes shrink. Underground aquifers are used up faster than rain can refill them. Cities, farms, and factories use large amounts. Today, nearly 3/4 of the world's population lives in places where water is difficult or unreliable at times. Water isn't gone forever, but it isn't always available when needed. What is a drought? A drought is a long period with very little rain. When droughts last, rivers dry up, crops fail, animals suffer. Drinking water becomes scarce. Some regions in Africa, Asia, and the Middle East have faced severe droughts in recent years. Climate change is making droughts more frequent in some places. How drought can lead to famine. Farming depends on water. If crops fail repeatedly, food becomes scarce and expensive. When many people do not have enough food for a long time, it is called a famine. History shows that droughts have contributed to famines because water, food, and survival are closely connected. What is potable water? Here's an important word. Potable water. Potable water means water that is safe to drink. It must be clean and free from harmful germs and chemicals. Not all water is potable. Water from rivers, lakes, or even taps that look clear contain harmful microorganisms or pollutants that can make people sick. That's why water treatment plants clean and filter water before it reaches homes. Why clean water is also a problem. Sometimes water exists, but it isn't safe. This is called clean water scarcity. Unsafe water can contain germs and bacteria, viruses, chemicals from factories and farms, waste from homes. In the 1800s, cities in Europe and America had cholera outbreaks because drinking water mixed with sewage. Typhoid outbreaks also occurred before modern sanitation. Even today, unsafe water causes illness and keeps many children out of school. What the UN means by water bankruptcy. Normally, rivers, lakes, glaciers, and underground water refill naturally. But the UN reports water is being drained faster than it refills. Over 70% of major groundwater sources are falling. Lakes and wetlands are shrinking. Some rivers no longer reach the sea. Glacier melt is reducing seasonal water supply. Water bankruptcy means nature's water savings account is being emptied faster than it can recover. History and today. Water shaped great civilizations. The Nile in Egypt, called the gift of the river. The Indus Valley Civilization. Where water flowed, life flourished. Today, pollution, overuse, and climate change are putting pressure on those same systems. Why this matters for us when water becomes scarce or unsafe. Farmers grow less food. Food prices rise. Families travel farther. For water, illness increases. Cities ration supply. Development slows. Water affects food, health, education, industry, and even peace between regions. What can we do? Turn off taps while brushing. Take shorter showers. Use rainwater for plants. Keep rivers clean. Talk about saving water and rainwater harvesting. Every drop saved today helps tomorrow. FactFox Explorers, water is not just something from a tap. It is the foundation of life on Earth. Until next time, think smart, care kind, save water.